What if a place could slow you down, not by silence, but by light? In this video, I'll take you to a space where art moves, walls disappear, and time feels different. We'll explore what it actually feels like to be inside an immersive world, whether it's worth visiting, and what you should know before you go. Welcome to Life in Moments, where it's not just about places, but the feeling they leave with you. And today, we're going to Dortmund, Germany, to experience something truly different. Immersive digital art center Phoenix DeLumiere. I arrived here by car, and right away the contrast felt interesting. Easy parking, simple ticket machines nearby, everything practical and smooth. But around me, old industrial structures, rusted silhouettes of a former factory rising into a bright, sunny sky. It almost felt like this place belonged to another time. Here a small cafe on the way, people laughing, talking, enjoying the sun. Drinks on the tables, slow conversations, that feeling of a perfect, simple day. As I got closer, the space opened up. A wide area surrounded by old buildings, but filled with energy. Kids playing, families spending time together. An unusual mix of industrial past and present life.
Sunlight falling on the street. Every step feels light and free. Something in the air today. Feels like it won't fade away. Little moments passing by, but they catch your eye. It's a good day, I can feel it. Something's waiting, I believe it. Every corner, every sound feels like magic all around.
Inside, I was welcomed by a friendly staff member at the reception. I got my ticket for the Little Prince experience, one of the main shows here. There are also self-service machines if you prefer to do it yourself. I actually wanted to see another show about dinosaurs, but it wasn't available that day. I still had about 20 minutes, so I went down to the cafe. Simple snacks, something like rectangular pizza slices, and a really good cappuccino. There's also a small souvenir shop nearby. It's one of those places where you slow down without even thinking about it. And then, I walked in. The space was huge. And wow, the walls, the floor, everything turned into one continuous canvas of light. This wasn't just a room. It felt like stepping inside a living painting. The visuals moved across every surface, not just around you, but under your feet. Colors flowed, light breathed, and stories unfolded without words. And what made it even more special was the space itself. It wasn't just a simple hall. There were curves, hidden corners, circular zones in the center. And everywhere you looked, the experience continued. Some people were sitting quietly on benches, others lying down on soft mats in the corners, completely relaxed. No rush, no noise, just presence.
No words, no sound, but something pulls you in. We are lost in the light, floating
First visuals began to appear on the walls. Previews of other shows, scenes inspired by Monet's paintings, and even something about dinosaurs.
Walls are breathing, stories glow.
And then, the little prince began. I invite you to fully immerse yourself in this moment. No voice, no distractions, just the experience. Feel what it's like to be here.
Wenn das Geheimnis zu eindrucksvoll ist, wagt man nicht zu widerstehen. Gesehen worden. Der Planet Erde, er hat einen guten Ruf. Ich bin mächtiger als der Finger eines Königs.
Bitte, zähme mich.
It's hard to fully explain this feeling, because it's not just something you watch. At some point, you simply become part of it. The light, the sound, the atmosphere, everything slows you down. You stop rushing, stop thinking, and just let yourself relax into the moment. And that's something you really have to experience for yourself. This was life in moments, not just about where you go, but what stays with you after. If this video made you feel something, even for a few seconds, leave a like. It helps more people discover places like this. And tell me in the comments, would you visit something like this, or is it not your kind of experience? Keep in touch. See you in the next moment.